Emily, take the donuts out for me. 1. Take the other one. 2. How about the yellow one? Take the yellow. 3. How about the green? Good job. What about the last one? Take it out. Good job. Yay! Good job, Emily. What are you gonna? Uh-oh. What that? What are you gonna learn next? Putting it back. Mama's gonna put it back. You wanna watch Mama? 1, 2. Okay, then take the last one out. Take the blue one out. Good job. Good job, Emily. That's a good girl. Let's say bye-bye. Emily, look at Mama. Can you say bye-bye? You can wave? You wave? Can you wave? Okay.